Today I am going to discuss with you one important theorem, factor theorem. Here it is, factor theorem. Px is a polynomial of degree greater than equal to 1. Means it is any polynomial, maybe linear or some other. And a is a real number. You consider that a is a real number. Then, number 1, if Pa equal to 0, means if we find out 0 of x minus a, one polynomial I have where a is a real number, x minus a, where 0 of this polynomial if I take out and put it in value of in the place of variable, then if I get it is 0, then we can say x minus a is a factor of px. And second one is, if already we know x minus a is a factor of px, already we know that, then the 0 of x minus a, if we find out, which will be a, and if we put it in place of x, if we put a value, then also we will get it 0. Because I think you know that one example I am giving to you, 3, 6. If I divide 6 by 3, then what we will get the remainder? 0, because 2 3s are 6. If I take another number 4 and 24, we know that 4 is a factor of 24, but if we try to divide 24 by 4, then what will happen? That what we will get in the remainder? 0. Means if something is factor of that, divisor is factor of the dividend, then remainder always 0. So in this way, if x minus a is a factor of px, which is already we know, then 0 of x minus a, if we put there, we will get 0. Here two cases are shown. If Pa equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor, and second one is, if x minus a is a factor, then Pa equal to 0. Now we will try one question. This question is given in exercise number 2.3, question number 3, third question. So here given the check whether 7 plus twice x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x or not. So what we will do here? We will first find out 0 of 7 plus twice x and put the 0 value here in this polynomial, and after putting in the 0 value in variable place, then if we get 0, ultimate value is 0, then we can say 7 plus 5x is a polynomial factor of this polynomial. Or if we will not get 0, then we will say it is not factor of this given polynomial. So answer how we can write it. First of all, we will write the 0 of 7 plus twice x is minus 7 by 3. Then we will write let px is equal to 3x cube plus 7x. Then p in place of x, now we will put minus 7 by 3. Then we will get 3 minus 7 by 3 whole cube plus 7 into minus 7 by 3. Then we will get there minus 343 by 9, and plus in bracket we can get minus 49 by 3. If we take LCM there, we will get minus 343, there minus 147. Ultimately, we will get minus 490, which is not equal to 0. So what is our conclusion? Here we are getting that when you put 0 of this, if we put it, then we will not get 0 there. So therefore 7 plus twice x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7. The next question, find the value of a if x minus 1 is a factor of 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k. Here one thing you have to look that x minus a is a factor of this polynomial, already it is given. So definitely its 0 value if we put here in place of x, if we put, we will get 0. The answer of this question we will write in this way. First of all, again we will write 0 of x minus 1 is, first we write it, this is 1, and let px equal, if px not given, then px equal to 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k. And let, after this we know that this is factor of this, so we will write in this way, since x minus 1 is a factor of px, so therefore p1, if we put 0 value here, we will get 0. So therefore 4 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus k is equal to 0. Okay, since x minus 1 is a factor of px, so definitely its 0 value, if we put there, it will be 0. Then after putting its value, right hand side we will get 0. Now what we will do, we just solve it. Here we simplify it, and k value we try it, because this side is k is there, which is unknown. So k equal to what? That only we have to find out. So here it will be 4 plus 3 minus 4 plus k. Both minus 4 plus 4 will cancel each other, and k will be minus 3. The value of k is minus 3. Means if x minus 1 is a factor of this, then value of k will be minus 3.